Did you know you can make $750 per week? Let me show you how. You come to Google and search apexfocusgroup.com. So on this website, you get paid for your opinion. So all you need to click, you need to scroll down, click on join our panel and get paid for your opinions. Click here on get started. So as you can see, looking for focus group participant up to $750 per week. So you need to click all cities and states. You need to click apply. So the good thing about this is that the qualification, it's just you just need a smartphone or a working camera or webcam, a desktop, have internet connection, desire to fully participate, ability to read, understand, and other instructions. Also, educational requirement, high school diploma or its equivalent. Composition for 1 hour, it's $35 to $75. So you need to click on apply now. Also, to check those you can participate online, you can come back here, click on focus group. If you're interested in business and travel, you just need to click on sign up. As you can see, there are also decision making, home financing, pet products, health and wellness, women's clothing, proof, professional, and others. Yeah, guys, that's all for today. Kindly keep tuned for more money making tips. Yeah, bye.